Jokanyo e migao mar wuoth komakore kod duol mar NTSA ochako chwalo tiegruok e kauntis mopogore opogore maduoko piny medruok mar masiche mag apaya. Jokanyogo mawuok e Kisii, Migori, Homa Bay kod kaunti ma Nyamira dhi romo e boma ma Kisii kuom ndalo 3 mar miyo pek weche mag chike apaya mondo mi kony mar geng'o thoye ma masiche mag apaya go kelo. NTSA wacho ni tiego jokanyo dhi chakore ayanga e gwenge ma Kaluo kod ugwe mar Kenya kaluwore gi masiche mag apaya monya e alworago kaachiel gi medruok mar mibadhi e apaya ma gwengego.
An invitation through ministries, departments and agencies and the county governments represented here, that is Kisii, Nyamira, Migori and Homa Bay. The main discussion is around the issue of betterment of road safety. As you all understand, road safety is a shared responsibility from an NTSA perspective. We are having a candid discussion and a way forward in terms of what role do we need to play at each department so that at least we register less fatalities.
Kuna issue ya madrivers wetu. I think vile mkutano imeletwa itatusaidia wasome ili wajue. Kitu ya kwanza, safety inaanza na wewe.
We have really come far. Let me agree that as a county and as one of the Kenyan counties, we would like that the government be considerate to us so that we may proceed together harmoniously. I thank you so much for this plan, and we are really happy.
So we are glad to join in this forum so that we can see the way forward as stakeholders in terms of reducing the statistics that we have been given today that are worrying. We want to see how we can help one another in terms of coordination and all the activities related to transport so that the levels of accidents and fatalities can be reduced.